Hi, it's Barry Joyce here, and how does the thought of making money with a simple super app sound to you? Now, there are multiple ways that you can earn with this really simple app called Hello Vidz, which is using a few clicks of a button. Now, as I mentioned, there are multiple ways, so you can become an influencer, create your own videos for your own channel or for other people's channels and sell them. You can create vertical videos to upscale your own business. You can even use these videos as a freelancer for people's websites, Facebook pages, TikTok pages, you name it, and even sell them and offer a service on platforms such as Fiverr, and create vertical videos for your own business and start selling them as a consultant or as a business. There are many different types of vertical video contents that you can actually create with the simple click of a button using the interface, and you can create brands and video contents for influencers and things such as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels and Stories, Facebook Reels, Snapchat Stories, TikTok videos, promotional videos, memes and quotes videos, discount offers for restaurants or anything, yoga, media, health videos, special offer videos, business trips, promotional intros, demonstration products, social media ad videos, video tutorials, and there's just so much more. And all of this can be done by using the friendly interface. Now, most video editing software are complex and difficult to learn, whereas Hello Vidz solves this problem with an easy learning curve and our user-friendly interface. Now I'm going to hand you over to one of the partners who's going to run through a full demonstration of the Hello Vidz software and just show you exactly how powerful and how simple it is to use.
We have two main methods of creating videos. You can either use templates or stock videos. I'm going to show you both. So we'll start with templates. And from templates, you can choose any number of categories, or you can use more of a generic one and sort of just create your own template. But let's go with food for this example. And let's just say that you're creating a video for a local pizza restaurant. You know, there are millions of small businesses out there that need these kinds of videos. I'm going to go ahead and click choose template. So, you know, say you're... Ooh, I like that stock music, but not for this particular ad. So we will change that music as a part of this demonstration. So here where it says super delicious pizza, let's change that to you know you want pizza. I just kind of like the ring of that better. You know you want pizza. So you can see it's just, you know, click, and you can change text. And so whatever company, you know, if you have a client, they probably sent you a logo, they probably emailed it to you. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And then you can just click here where it says add upload image, and you can drag and drop or just click. And I'm going to grab just a generic pizza logo here. You know, imagine a company maybe paid you $200 for this. Maybe they gave you $1,000 to create maybe like 5 ads. That would be pretty realistic. I mean, think about small businesses. They spend so much money on advertising. All right, I'm going to make a little bit of room here just to show you some more functionality of what we can do with this. I could click on search for image, and let's just say man pizza, and I'm going to search on Pixabay just to kind of show you what we can do. And here's a man holding a pizza, and I'm just going to put this into our video. So it's like you've got the logo up there. Maybe you've got a little picture of, maybe they emailed you a picture that they want you to use in the video. You know, we can also add text, we can add stickers, we can add emojis. Oh, that's right. The one thing that I did want to do was change the music. And so here where it says add music, I'm going to select a different music track. I kind of went through these and have listened to most of them. We've got a whole bunch of different stock music. I like this music number 12. Sounds kind of more like pizza to me. So we'll go with that one. And then the other thing, of course, you'd want to customize, you know, this phone number with the actual phone number of, you know, your pizza place and the website with your company's website. And that's it. After you do that, click the check mark button here to generate the video. And it says, please wait, we are creating the video. And you can see it generated the video with our changes. I'll go ahead and pause that, and then we would just click Save to My Videos. And it saved it to our videos. From here we can view it. We can, of course, download it to our computer. We can download it as an MP4 file, and so maybe we would deliver it to the pizza shop as an MP4 file, and maybe we would also upload it directly to their YouTube channel, their Facebook page, their TikTok channel, anything else. We can also click Editor. We can do some further editing if we wanted to. And again, just to kind of show you what we created here in less than 2 minutes, I'll click play. So again, I'm just going to pause that. But again, this is a customized video that you created for a company. It could be your own company as well, but something that they would definitely be willing to pay a couple $100s for, with their own logo, their own phone number, their own website, and then maybe you even do the marketing service of uploading it for them, or you could just deliver that MP4 file to them. Let me show you the other method of creating videos with this. We have actually a collection of stock videos included, and you can quickly turn those into customized videos as well. Of course, you could even use them as is. Many of these thousands of stock videos are just great that you could upload and then maybe just include a link above or below it, maybe in your profile or in the description of the video. But if I go to my videos and click upload video, you'll see that we can also do some customization. So I found a video that I liked amongst those stock videos. It's video number 1826, so you can find it if you like it. And this is, I thought it would be kind of good for like an adventure company, so I'll call it Adventure 1. Okay, save file. And you can see here it appears now under My Videos. I can then click to edit this video and customize it for a company. So maybe an adventure company hired me to do this video. There's all kinds of things we can change. We can reverse it. We can change the time, the speed. We can trim it. We can add images. And so in this case, let's add a little image ad. We could also add text if we want to just add some basic text. But in this case, I just got a little bit of an image ad here. I'm going to drag this up towards the top of the video. So we have sort of a drag and drop functionality. And I can resize it. Now it looks stretched out, but when the video actually renders, it'll look better. So I'm going to go ahead and resize this, double click it, and then click this watermark button. And it's going to render the video with this custom text on it. And let's take a look at what that looks like here in just a minute. Okay, so you can see that it says, "Are you ready for an adventure? Go to myadventuresite.com." The other thing I want to do is create a voiceover and some custom music for this video. So if I go to Vox Maker, that stands for Voiceover Maker. Go ahead and select a voice, and then I'm going to give it some text like, "Are you ready for an adventure? Go to www.myadventuresite.com and see where we can take you." I'm going to click, we'll call this, we'll give it a name, Adventure Vox. I spelled it wrong, but it doesn't matter. Generate Vox. Okay, so that was made successfully. By the way, you can download this directly, or you can just play it.
Are you ready for an adventure? Go to www.myadventuresite.com and see where we can take you.
Okay, and by the way, we have hundreds of voices in there, or over 100 voices anyway. We've got many English voices as well as other countries, languages, nationalities, male and female. So lots of voices to choose from, and you can make them say anything you want them to say. So that feature alone is worth the price of this tool. Then we can go back to my videos. We're going to add that voiceover to this adventure video that we're working on. So we'll click Editor. And then I'm going to click to add audio. And so for the background, we can add background music if we want to. That's optional, but we will add some background music. I think background music number 6 is kind of nice. Sort of an uplifting sound to it. And I'm going to make that 25% volume because I want the background music quiet, but I want the voiceover to sort of be full volume. So we'll go ahead and click Update Audio. Oh, and then the last thing I was going to do was add a logo. Because again, maybe you're creating this for a company. They probably sent you a logo, and you can really add value for them simply by inserting that logo into the video. Okay, so that was generated. And before we watch the finished result, let me go ahead and add that logo for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click Image. And we can grab an image. I'll grab this adventure logo. And we'll drag and drop it here onto the video. I'm going to resize it. Put it sort of down here in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to double-click it and click the button. Okay, so the video was generated successfully. Let's take a look at what this video looks like.
Are you ready for an adventure? Go to www.myadventuresite.com and see where we can take you.
So as you can see, a really nice, professionally done video. I mean, it's got a professional voiceover, custom text, the link, it's got your logo, it's got a really nice stock video as the basis of it. And we can, continue to tweak and add more stuff to it. But, within a couple of minutes, we created a video that's easily worth a couple $100s to a company. So this tool really does create instant videos. All right, so again, you can go to My Videos, and from here, you can download this MP4 file, which you can then deliver to your client or upload it to their social media directly. And let me show you a couple more examples just to show you, again, how easy this tool is to use and really how fun it is to use. Let's go back to templates. I'll give you another template example. And let's do a different niche. How about business this time? Many of us are in internet marketing businesses already, and many of us are, have sort of small businesses or agencies as our clients. So let's go ahead and choose this template. Okay, again, I'm not crazy about that particular song for this, so maybe let's change the music first thing. So let's go ahead and change the music track. I happen to like music track number 10. Yeah, that's a good one. So click select. Let's see, what else do we want to do with this? Let's change the logo. So go ahead and delete this logo, and we'll give it the custom logo that our client gave us. So let's just grab as Biz logo here. And you can easily resize that and kind of put it wherever you want to put it. And you can actually customize anything on this. You can change the background of this video. You can change any of the text. You can, of course, change the website and phone number for your client or yourself. Let's also go ahead and add a voiceover for this. I probably should have created the voiceover first, but I'm going to go ahead and just open this in a new tab. That way we can create it now. All right, so we'll give it a title. We'll call this one BizVox and select which voice we want to use. I'm going to use Sarah again. I like that voice. And then we're going to enter some text. It says, does your business need more customers, et cetera, et cetera. Generate Vox. This is a little bit of a longer voiceover. Still only took a couple of seconds to generate, and then we can preview it if we want to.
Does your business need more customers? We're here to help.
Okay, sounds pretty good, right? Now if I go back to where we were editing this, now let's add the voiceover. We're going to select BizVox. And with the music, actually, we want to add the Vox with the music. So that's a whole other thing too. So we could actually go back over to the Vox generator and we're going to add the music. That way we can have, we can adjust the volume as we want it. So we're going to call this Biz with Music. So background music, was it number 10? Yeah. And then volume's going to be 25%. And then the Vox is going to be BizVox, and we'll leave that at the default volume. So go ahead and generate that. Okay, so we could preview that if we wanted to.
Does your business need more customers?
Sounds great. And it was instantly available over here in the other tabs. So let's go ahead and select Biz with Music, and now generate the video.
Does your business need more customers?
Okay, so we've got it. I could maximize this if we want to see it better.
We're here to help. Grab your free consultation today and see how you can get more traffic to your product or service by next week. Just go to www.mywebsite.com to request.
All right, so the other thing I forgot to do is actually make this a little longer. So I left this at a 15-second video. Since that voiceover was a little longer, I should have selected the 30-second duration. But if you do the same that I just did and forget to select a longer duration for your voiceover, it's not too late. You can just go in and change it. So select 30-second duration and then generate it again.
Does your business need more customers?
Maximize that.
We're here to help. Grab your free consultation today and
so you can see now it is 30 seconds long.
Or service by next week. Just go to www.mywebsite.com to request your free consultation today.
All right, so great. All right, and then we can go ahead and save that to my videos. The other thing I could show you is like you can add stickers. Okay, so with a couple of clicks, you can add all kinds of stickers. You can add emojis. You can add avatars. And of course, add custom text. So you really have a lot of flexibility to customize these videos for your own business or your clients. Let's go ahead and take a look at one more example. Again, this comes with a whole bunch of stock videos. And so that's one of the quick and easy ways to also almost instantly make a video. Again, if I go to my videos, click upload video, and I'm going to select another video that I found in the stock videos. This is video number 1316, in case you want to use it sometime in the future. This is a yoga video. We'll call it Yoga 1. Go ahead and save this to our videos. And then we can click to edit this video. And, let's say a local yoga studio, or maybe a, national or international yoga studio hired you to create this video. One thing you may want to do is add some text to it, or maybe turn it into some kind of an ad. So I created a little bit of ad copy to add to this one. It says free online yoga session. Go to www.myyogasite.com. So add that. And then, of course, you may want to add a logo to it. You don't have to add a logo to it, but again, just to show you how easy it is to add a logo for your client, you can simply select the image file and just drag and drop to where you want to put it. So let's maybe put this up here in the top corner. Double click that. And last but not least, let's add a music track before we produce the final product here. We could do a voiceover on this one. We're not going to do a voiceover. Let's just add a music track, something ethereal. I think background number 30 is fairly ethereal. Yes, perfect for yoga. That only took a couple of seconds. And now let's view what we have created here. You can see we've got this ad, we have the logo, and beautiful music. It's seagulls flying in the background. All right, so again, for a couple of minutes of work, you can be making hundreds of dollars creating these simple little videos for all kinds of companies. And again, all kinds of companies need these videos.